In this video, I'm going to show you how to track stock levels in Excel 365 using the scan function. This is perfect for keeping a running total of stock as you record stock in and stock out. Step 1. Set up your data. Start with your initial stock level, for example 2011, carried over from the previous month. Make sure you have two columns, stock in and stock out. Step 2. Use the scan function. Click in the cell where you want your running stock total. Enter the formula, equals scan open bracket, initial value comma, array minus array comma, lambda open bracket, running total comma, current value, close bracket, running total plus current value, close bracket, initial value. This is your opening stock, e.g., 2011. Array minus array. Subtract the stock out range from the stock in range. Lambda function tells Excel how to update the running total at each step. Press Enter. Step 3. How it works. The scan function keeps recalculating the running total as it goes down the column. For the first row, it starts with the initial stock, 2011. For the second row, it adds the first row's net stock change, stock in minus stock out, to the initial value. This continues down the column, giving you a live running stock total. Tip: this is much cleaner than creating helper columns or manually summing each row. And that's it. The scan function makes tracking stock levels in Excel 365 simple and automatic. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.